Tomorrow versus FC Solo, one more tough match. We played 3 days ago. Everything was perfect last 2 games, but tomorrow maybe will be a little bit tired. I need to rotate a little bit. And FC Solo, I believe, will come hungry like all other teams. So we need to be focused really for a match. We must enter 100% because if we are not fully in the game, that can be very dangerous. So I hope that we will be focused in the game, and I hope that we will play a positive result.
But now he's back. It was probably maybe because of all this traveling and fatigue, but now he's back. Today he trained fully, so I believe next match versus Bali he will be okay to play. Okay.
Dia latihan full dengan kita dan dia tidak ada masalah.
Yes, and Putus is still not ready for tomorrow. He only play fully today, so exactly 7 days to be ready, and everybody else will see his stuff. Look, everything was okay. Maybe 2-3 players are tired, so maybe I will need to rotate because of that. Because we have now matches every 4 days. So if we see any player who is tired, I will put him on the bench. Maybe he can play second half. He will not start. So let's see tomorrow.
Yeah.
Maybe one more day.
Besok pertandingan lagi, jadwal sangat padat, tapi buat kita bagus karena kita dirikan dengan menahan good flow. So kita mau lanjutkan tren positif besok. Kita butuh 3 poin di kandang, kita butuh poin buat klasemen supaya kita naik lagi. Dan ya, seperti saya tadi sebelumnya, kita mau lanjutkan tren positif. Saya pikir semua tahu behavior seperti apa, tapi mungkin dengan waktu mungkin orang lupa atau tidak mau tahu. Tapi ya, saya tidak usah tanya soal itu karena semua tahu attitude yang benar seperti apa. So lanjutkan dan follow the rules and win the game for us, for the supporters, for the federation and the club. Just make it professional, I would say. So semua bisa nikmati hal yang positif dan klub juga tidak usah punya data soal attitude yang tidak benar. So ikuti aja yang the rules of the game.
I don't think that really matters. I think we also know the amount of foreigners that are here. Obviously he's mainly thinking of rotating after playing against Selangor earlier this week, but look, there's so much sport in the sport, and I actually know Bojan pretty well from Malaysia, and I don't think he will rotate that much actually. Ask me that question tomorrow after the game. Like I said, I know there's maybe 25,000 people, but for what we do, that's relevant, that's all in our influence. We need to focus on the things that we can control, and that is how we attack, that's how we defend, that's where we put our block, that's how much effort we put in our tackles, etc., etc. And yeah, back-to-back champions, but to be honest, I've seen enough evidence of FC Solo against top teams that we can make it very difficult in them. And hopefully we can do that tomorrow as well. Yeah, there's probably 2 things that I think are important. That is obviously the run of results and the occasion against Spurs Bandung tomorrow. I think most of the work this week has more or less been on the mental aspect of preparation. I mean, I don't tell you anything new that obviously when you're on the bottom, you have bad still results, that might affect your belief in what you're doing, because belief is often evidence-based, and you need to have a confirmation of what you do, what you believe in is the right way to go, and that confirmation is usually points. For me, it's more than just points, it's the way we play, what we create, etc. And when you don't get the results, that belief might be fading away. And it doesn't matter whether I believe in it, or the only thing that matters is that players believe in it. And obviously, we've talked about that in this afternoon. And then obviously, yeah, we have a chance to, turn this around again. I believe that this group is capable of doing that. That's not going to be easy against the champion of the last 2 years. On the other hand, I was on some games in Europe last week, and I saw a Dutch team, an average with a budget of 40 million, winning of Aston Villa with a budget of $400 million. So, yeah, I think belief is a big thing tomorrow.
Semua, yang pertama untuk pertandingan ini adalah laga yang penting bagi kami, tetapi pertandingan esok yang pasti tidak akan mudah buat kami karena kita pemain away, apalagi dengan mendukung Persib yang datang dan ya para pemain saya yakin sangat siap pertandingan besok dan bisa memberikan yang terbaik dan juga ya benar apa yang Peter bilang besok yang pasti yang penting untuk pertandingan besok adalah mental dan juga percaya diri untuk bisa melakukan pertandingan yang sangat baik.
Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya. Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.